Hi guys, do you know how much a doctor makes in New Zealand? It's 120,000 New Zealand dollars. That's almost 60 lakh rupees in a year. Sounds exciting, right? Does it make you want to become a doctor in New Zealand? I'm sure it does. If you're an international medical graduate, I've got good news for you. It's not as complicated as you might think. Stick with me till the end, and I'm going to explain to you how you can start your medical career there step by step. And hey, before we get into the details, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get regular updates on healthcare opportunities around the world. Step 1. Make sure that you're eligible. There are 3 things that you need in order to be eligible for NZREX, the New Zealand registration exam. First is your medical degree. Must be from a university listed in the World Directory of Medical Schools. Second, you need English proficiency, either an IELTS score of 7 in all sections or OET 350 in every component. Third, you must have passed a recognized medical exam in the last 5 years, like USMLE Step 1 and 2, AMC Part 1, PLAB Part 1, or MCCQE Part 1. If you meet these criteria, you can apply for the NZREX. Now, Step 2 is passing the clinical exam. It's a clinical exam, not a written test, has 12 assessed stations plus a few rest stations. Each station lasts 12 minutes, 2 minutes to read the instructions and 10 minutes with a simulated patient. The exam tests your ability to handle real-life medical scenarios safely and confidently. Now check your results. After the exam, the results are emailed within about 10 working days. You'll either get a pass or a did not pass. Passing is a big step, but it doesn't mean that you can start working independently yet. Step 4 is secure a supervised training position. Once you pass, the next step is to find a supervised training spot in a New Zealand hospital that allows you to gain hands-on experience under guidance and get familiar with the local healthcare system. Step 5 is complete 12 months of supervised training. During this time, you'll work under supervision in a hospital or healthcare setting. This experience is essential for building confidence, improving your clinical skills, and understanding New Zealand's medical standards. Step 6 is getting full registration. After completing your supervised training, you can apply for full registration with the Medical Council of New Zealand. Once approved, you're officially a doctor and ready to start your medical career in New Zealand. So there you have it. 6 simple steps to become a doctor in New Zealand. 1 clinical exam, a year of training, and you're on your way. How can you do it? By enrolling in Academically.'s NZREX Clinical Preparation course. You'll get all the resources and guidance that you need to clear the exam in the very first attempt. For information, check the link given in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on healthcare opportunities around the world. I'll see you in the next one.